Your check engine light just turned on? Before you worry, here's what to check first. A steady light usually means a smaller issue, but if it's blinking, stop driving and get it checked right away. First, check your gas cap. A loose or cracked cap is one of the most common causes. Also check for any smoke, burning smell, or unusual noises. If everything looks normal, a code scanner can tell you exactly what's wrong. Many auto parts stores will read it for free. If the light is steady and the car drives fine, get it scanned soon. If it's blinking or you notice smoke, pull over and call for help. A check engine light isn't always an emergency. Knowing what to check first can save you time, money, and a stressful tow.